Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got two Zulily unboxing for you today, and it's going to be footwear. So I wanted to actually open these up just to see what they look like, make sure they fit properly, because I want to start wearing them as the weather is still nice and we don't have snow on the ground as yet. So it will be the perfect time to wear these, and plus I'll be going to Edmonton on the weekend, so doing a little bit of shopping in the mall. And I don't know, I don't think I'll be able to order anything because, like, for Amazon I wanted to start ordering my Christmas presents, and they're saying that they wouldn't ship to a PO box because of the strike. So that puts a damper on things, because I was gonna buy my fiance a few things from there for Christmas, so I'm just gonna have to wait until it's finished. Hopefully it doesn't last as long as I'm thinking. So anyways, let me just get into this because the camera still has a lot of stuff on it and I don't know how long of a video I can do here. I did get another box along with these two packages, but I'll have to open the box in a separate video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the first one. And I'll move this one away here. It's just these black sneaker type looking shoes. They even send me a slip with a description. So these ones that I'm showing you would be the black and white range boat shoe in a size 7.5. And I don't think I would be wearing socks with these, so that is why I didn't go a size up. I usually go a size 8 with boots because I wear socks with them, but if I'm not wearing socks I wear my regular fit, which is 7.5. I don't really have any black runners or sneaker type shoes like these, so I figured I would pick these up. They were really a good price. So okay, so these were the first sneakers I showed you. I had to stop my camera because it needed a new battery. And let me just hurry this up before something else goes wrong, because every time I do these videos, it's something. So I better make this fast. So this second pair is by the same company as the first one I showed you, which is in this box right here. And it's the Denim Fresh Slip-On sneaker in a size 7.5 again, because I figured, well, I wouldn't be needing socks to wear these ones. And that's what these look like. I hope you can see it because I can actually brighten the lighting on my camera, but I figured it should be bright enough here. So I don't have too many nice comfortable shoes. Like, all my shoes are just not the best. So I mean, they're pretty, but they're not just comfortable, and I want something to, like, you know, do a lot of walking in, especially when I go to the mall. I want to be comfortable when I do my window shopping or shopping, whatever you want to call it. So these were pretty cheap. I mean, I'll get a few wearings out of them and then I can replace them without feeling guilty. So guys, that was my video. I want to end this quick because I don't know how much time is left on this camera. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I will keep doing videos because I have other things to show you. I just will have to, like, put a halt on the ordering for now until Canada Post decides what they're going to be doing and for how long. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye now.